In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the clutch or brake pedal on your Jeep Wrangler located down under your dash. We're going to go ahead and replace our clutch pedal pad right here. And you can see it's pretty worn out. It's going to be easy to go ahead and remove this. I'm going to peel that off. On the back side, it has the little flaps here that actually lock on to the clutch itself. What you want to do is take the new pad. We're going to line that up, and we want to go ahead and just kind of roll this onto the pedal itself. You might be able to use a pick on something like this here and just kind of wiggle it down and work that flap into place. Now what we're using here is an old car mirror itself, and we want to go ahead and view the back side here. If you have something like this here, it's going to be tremendous as far as helping you get that pedal pad lined up and get these flaps pulled up and over. Otherwise, it's a guessing game as far as what you have actually locked in on the pedal lever itself. Now after working that a little bit, you can see in the mirror that all of the edges or the flaps are locked on to the pedal lever itself. Once you've completed this, you can then go ahead and do the same for the brake pedal. Once you're done with that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.